Cadre. It's the name of our page. Click Update to create it. And we can see that once we search for the page name that we have a new page. We need to go in and edit the details. We click on the page in primary form configuration and we choose the relationship that we just created, the job cadre export. And we want to export all the fields. We can choose to use the cached data if we want a very fast export, or not to use the cache from the Hippo tables. In this case, we'll just leave it as is because it's a small import or export. Now, you can get an example